Not sure what area of robotics to specialize in? Let's go over 7 main fields in robotics software. If you're new to my channel, I have a website at kevinwoodrobotics.com where I have a bunch of resources on robotics and computer vision, so check it out and subscribe to learn more. So what is robotics? What makes robotics so hard is that there's so many disciplines involved, so I'll be going over each one so you get a better idea of what it is. Specifically, I'll be diving into the software aspects of robotics. So the first one is how to move. So that's usually described by what's called kinematics. So you can see here, in order for this robot dog to move its legs, we actually need to implement kinematics to tell where each leg has to go. We also want to know how to go from point A to point B. This is a study of navigation. So here you can see my Tesla bot trying to navigate the world on the Cybertruck. Next, we want to know how to create a map while moving. This is the study of SLAM, simultaneous localization and mapping. Here you can see my Cybertruck driving around to create a map of its environment. Now, how about how to see? This is a study of computer vision. What you see here is a depth map. This is what the robot sees to figure out how far something is. Another question we may ask is how to choose the right path. This is a study of motion planning. This example here that you see is a Tesla bot doing some air curls. And we also have the question how to move something precisely. This is a study of controls. Here you can see we're implementing a controller to allow us to rotate the wheels of the Cybertruck. Last thing we ask is how to think. This is what AI and machine learning helps us with. So you have all of these specializations you can choose from, but many times these specializations are somehow tied together. So you have controls with kinematics, you have kinematics with navigation, you have navigation with SLAM, you have SLAM with computer vision, you have computer vision with motion planning, and you have motion planning with controls. And you have AI and machine learning that pretty much touches on all of these topics. So there's 2 areas of math that's important for robotics. You have linear algebra and you have statistics. So depending on which field you're in, you may use one more than the other. So for things like controls, kinematics, and computer vision, it's going to be mostly linear algebra. Navigation is going to be mostly linear algebra, some statistics. Motion planning, a little bit of both. AI, a little bit of both. And you have SLAM, which is going to be mostly statistics. If you're looking to start your journey in robotics software, go ahead and check out this video that I made called the Robotics Software Engineer Roadmap. So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.